Thank you for being a part of this edition of Real Estate Lifeline's learning session. In today's session, we'll delve into our recently launched feature, OneSheet. If you're unsure what OneSheet is, no worries. By the end of the session, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it entails and how to seamlessly create one within Real Estate Lifeline. In simple terms, a OneSheet is an attachment to an email that allows you to encapsulate as much or as little information related to your transaction in a PDF format. Users often include OneSheets in introductions or when there are updates to dates or contracts. By attaching it to an email, you empower recipients to save the PDF for future reference or to print it out for quick access. We'll begin by walking through the process of creating a template. And don't fret, you can create multiple templates. After that, I'll guide you on how to apply the template or even craft one from scratch directly within your file. Excited to start? Fantastic, so am I. After logging into your Real Estate Lifeline account, navigate to the template section in the left-hand menu. Now look for the newly created tab labeled OneSheet and click on it. Then click on Add New OneSheet. Now here comes the exciting and creative part. You'll have the flexibility to modify colors, incorporate your logo, switch up fonts, select email templates, and even choose the signature you'd like to associate with your OneSheet template. You can brand them to your business or to each agent and team you work with. Make sure you hit the Create button to save your template. Remember to craft a distinctive title for each OneSheet you create. Go ahead and give it a whirl now. Fantastic job completing your first OneSheet template. Now let's move on to applying it to your specific transactions. Choose the file you wish to apply the template to. Click on OneSheet, then select New Form Template, and pick the template you desire. Feel free to make adjustments or send it as is. If you prefer crafting a completely new version for a single property, hit Add New OneSheet. Buttons: Create and Preview, Create and Send, and Create. Here you'll see your example of what it'll look like as the attachment. And when you're ready to send, click on the envelope, and you'll see all the emails associated within the transaction. You can choose to send them as to, blind CC, or CC. You can choose which email you desire to send it from. And you can include other emails that may not be already associated with the transaction. And from there, you would click Send. And that's a wrap. You're all set. Feel free to create as many as you need and seamlessly integrate them into your transactions. In this video, you've gained insights into what OneSheet is, how to create a template version, generating a new copy for each transaction, and the compelling reasons why to use them. We value your feedback on this feature, and feel free to reach out to us through DM, email, or the in-app messaging system. A big thank you for tuning in.